Welcome back to Cognitive Psychology 120a. What I'd like to do today is I'd like to start by going over briefly the outline for today's module, which is module number 5, Attention. And we will be doing this module both for Tuesday and Thursday. So I will start with a brief introduction on why is attention important. Then we will look at one of the two main aspects that we will cover of attention, which is known as selective attention, which is really your ability to look at the world and pick and choose the things you want to attend to and the things that you do not want to attend to. And there are two broad ways of looking at this. One is attention really as a filter, and we will look at three models within this approach. And one is attention more as a bottleneck. And we will look at one particular model within this approach. Then we will briefly discuss divided attention, which is really what we often call multitasking, the ability to focus in parallel on multiple tasks. And then we will cover the question of what exactly is attention doing? What is it providing to our mind and our brain? And finally, the last part, I want to cover some aspects of the neural basis of attention. In fact, we will really focus on the neural basis of selective attention in particular. And we will look at data both from healthy volunteers and from patients who have lesions to parts of the brain that are important for attention. A brief note of warning, just because of the way in which the topic is organized, it makes sense to cover everything except for the neural base of attention in one session, in what would be the Tuesday lecture, and then the neural base of attention in what would be the Thursday lecture. So for this reason, forgive me, but the Tuesday lecture is just a little bit longer than a usual lecture would be. But on the flip side, the Thursday lecture will be quite a bit shorter than a regular lecture. So together they should average out to be just right. Let's get started.